Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going from straight hair to curly hair and let's get straight to it. Okay, so this hair right here I had for around 3 days. I didn't wash it before I straightened it because I was kind of done with it. That's fine, man, whatever. So I'm taking my hair out and I'm just gonna brush through everything. I'm not using any products. I just want to take my knots out before we start. Looking like a whole mess here. Anyways, I'm gonna start off by sectioning a middle part so then I can focus on the two sides of my hair. By the way, I was so overdue for a haircut, it's not even funny. You won't catch me paying for a curly haircut in this economy though. We're going straight in, focusing on one side of my hair first, so I'm just gonna absolutely soak the side of my hair. Once my hair is soaked, I'm gonna go in and start brushing my hair. I know literally everyone says to brush it from the bottom to the top, but I do the exact opposite. I don't know, I just feel like it gets my knots out way faster and it doesn't kill my ends as much because I don't want to keep on re-brushing over that. My hair knots really easily, so I usually separate it into 3 different parts. So you just saw I just chucked the other section back. So I'll focus on this part and then I'll do the middle and then I'll do my bangs last. I don't know, I just find it a lot easier. And boom, we're done with one side. You can kind of see my curls starting to come through. But again, we only used water here and we didn't use any products, so it might be harder to tell. My hair was really pissing me off here with the knots, so I went in with a wide tooth comb and that just made it 50 times easier. I usually like to swap the brushes I'm using while I'm brushing it. So yeah, you'll see me use the wide tooth comb and the normal brush that I was using earlier. Now that we're finally done with the hard part, I'm going in with the Grow Volumizing Hair Mask. This smells so good. It's like rose water, I'd say. I don't know, it smelled really good. And we're just going to be raking this throughout our hair and leaving it as a mask just because our hair probably got heat damaged, you know. Also going to make sure you're not neglecting the ends of your hair. And I'm going back in with that brush. We're going to brush it one last time and then we're going to put it into braids real quick. Now that we're done with all that and got it in this little bun, we're gonna leave it for around 15 minutes. But before we're doing that, I'm gonna give my head a massage because we have been on the strain for the last 3 days, bro. I don't know, my scalp was just hurting because I felt like I was pulling it a lot. So we're gonna take a break and I'll be back. Hey, oh my gosh, forgot to finish my transition, haha, awkward. Anyways, we're gonna be taking this mask out and we're gonna go in and shampoo my hair, lol. I'm so unfunny, bruh. My bad, crashed out for a second there, but anyways, we're using the Davro shampoo. It's a clay-based shampoo and I actually love it. I don't know, I feel like my scalp can breathe after I use it, so I definitely recommend it. But yeah, first off, I'm just gonna wash off the main conditioner with water and then we'll go in with the shampoo with the scalp. Looks kind of crazy from this angle, but I like to double cleanse my scalp just to make sure everything's out, especially because I straighten my hair. Like, I don't know, it's just ugh. Damn, we looking good. My bad. Anyways, you can kind of see that the curls are starting to come back, so we are gonna go in with leave-in conditioner and brush our hair. This is Davro once again. I really don't know if I'm pronouncing that brand right. My bad. But yeah, once again, brushing that through. Okay, and then when it comes to sectioning off my hair, I hate having a painfully obvious middle part, but it loves me. But I'm taking a kind of like separator divider type tool and I'm making a line down the middle so then I can get the whole back half of my hair to go to the back. You can kind of see it in the mirror behind, but I'm just going to focus on that. So then at least from the back of my hair, you won't see the middle part. And then I'm going to take it to both sides of my hair and brush all the knots out. And then I'm taking one of these. I don't know what they're called. They went viral on TikTok though. They're okay, they're nothing crazy, I can't lie. But I'm just gonna use it to separate my hair. So we have the conditioner in and it's just gonna form its own curl pattern kind of thing. But then I also rake my hair with my fingers, just, I don't know, I feel like it shapes it a lot better than a brush does. And now, yay, we're going in with mousse. This is the Fructus style mousse. Would I recommend this? It does hold your hair, yes. It's not the best one I've used. I'll put an image of the best one I've used, but it does have alcohol in it, and that is a big no-no. But what can I say, I'm on a budget. Now we can focus on the front facing bits since the back's done. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush these out again. But basically, I'm gonna be taking majority of this section and brushing it towards the front of my head, trying to avoid the middle part. Again, because I've had a middle part literally my whole life, it's kind of gonna fall in a middle part again, but it just balances it out a bit more. So we're taking the mousse again and we're gonna do the exact same process that we did to the back of the hair. So I'm just scrunching it and I'm really working my way up to the scalp to get as much volume as I can. Once that is done, I'm gonna scrunch my whole hair together because we have the two sections, and I'm gonna tilt my head to both sides and add more mousse if I need to. Now we're going in with Eco Gel. I decided to mix mine in with water because I was running out, and someone actually commented for me to add water in my Eco Gel because they saw that I was running low on it. Thank you, by the way. But again, I'm taking my hair upside down, I'm switching angles, and I'm scrunching it. Once that's done, I'm gonna kind of play around with it for a bit and separate the curls I want to separate. I don't know. Basically, I'm just gonna place the curls where I want them to land a bit more before I put it in my bonnet and let it air dry. That way, when I take off my bonnet, I won't be looking too crazy and my hair's gonna be parted the way I want it to. But yeah, that's basically the end of the actual products and everything. After this, I'm just gonna let it air dry and I'll be back to show you how it ended up.